10 sports cars that deliver pure driving thrill. Not every sports car is built the same. Some focus on luxury, others chase extreme horsepower, but a few machines are designed for one thing only. Responsive engines and perfectly balanced chassis make these cars incredibly engaging behind the wheel. Today we're exploring 10 sports cars that deliver one of the most thrilling driving experiences on the road. Porsche 911 GT3. Precision engineering and track-focused performance define the Porsche 911 GT3, one of the most respected high-performance sports cars ever built. Designed by Porsche's motorsport division, the GT3 takes the legendary 911 platform and transforms it into a machine capable of delivering incredible speed and control on both road and track. Power comes from a high-revving 4-litre naturally aspirated flat-six engine, producing 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. Unlike many modern performance cars that rely heavily on turbocharging, this engine focuses on pure responsiveness and high revving power. Drivers can choose between a precise 6-speed manual transmission or Porsche's lightning-fast 7-speed PDK dual-clutch gearbox, sending power to the rear wheels. The GT3 weighs around 3,164 pounds, thanks to extensive use of lightweight materials and track-focused engineering. With this balanced setup, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.2 seconds, delivering rapid acceleration and remarkable stability. Porsche also equipped the GT3 with advanced aerodynamics, a large rear wing, and a race-inspired suspension system, helping the car maintain exceptional grip during high-speed driving. Inside the cabin, the GT3 features supportive sports seats, performance displays, and a driver-focused layout designed for maximum engagement. The GT3 stands as a perfect example of Porsche's motorsport heritage brought directly to the street. 9. Chevrolet Corvette Z06. Track-inspired performance and aggressive engineering define the Chevrolet Corvette Z06, one of the most extreme versions of America's legendary sports car. Designed to deliver serious speed and track capability, this model takes the Corvette platform and pushes it far beyond the limits of a typical performance coupe. At the center of the Z06 sits a remarkable 5.5-litre naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing 670 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. This high-revving engine is paired with a lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending power directly to the rear wheels for rapid acceleration and precise gear changes. Despite its powerful hardware, the Corvette Z06 maintains a relatively light structure, weighing about 3,434 pounds. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 2.6 seconds, delivering explosive performance that rivals many exotic supercars. To control this level of power, Chevrolet equipped the Z06 with advanced aerodynamics, a race-inspired suspension system, and massive performance brakes designed to maintain stability at high speeds. Inside the cockpit, the Z06 features a driver-focused layout with performance seats, digital displays, and premium materials that enhance the driving experience. On a fast circuit or open road, the Corvette Z06 demonstrates how American engineering can compete directly with some of the most serious performance cars in the world. 8. Lotus Emira. Modern sports car design meets Lotus performance philosophy in the Lotus Emira, a machine created to deliver precision handling and engaging driving dynamics. As one of the final gasoline-powered sports cars from Lotus, the Emira represents a major step forward for the brand while still maintaining its lightweight performance heritage. Power comes from a 3.5-litre supercharged V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. This engine, developed in partnership with Toyota, can be paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a smooth 6-speed automatic, sending power directly to the rear wheels for a classic sports car driving experience. Thanks to Lotus's focus on lightweight construction, the Emira weighs around 3,175 pounds. With this balanced setup and strong engine performance, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds, delivering quick and responsive acceleration. Lotus also equipped the Emira with advanced aerodynamics, a precision-tuned suspension system, and carefully balanced chassis engineering, all designed to maximize cornering performance and driver control. Inside the cabin, the Emira introduces a more modern interior than previous Lotus models, featuring digital displays, premium materials, and improved comfort while still keeping a driver-focused layout. Through tight corners and sweeping roads, the Emira highlights Lotus's long-standing philosophy, creating sports cars that prioritize balance, control, and pure driving enjoyment. Lightweight design and powerful engines make these sports cars incredibly exciting. 7. Toyota GR Supra. Legendary performance returns with the Toyota GR Supra, a modern sports car developed to revive one of the most famous names in Japanese performance history. Built with input from Toyota's Gazoo racing division, the GR Supra focuses on delivering strong power and sharp handling for drivers who enjoy an engaging driving experience. Under the hood sits a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing 382 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power directly to the rear wheels for classic sports car performance. Despite its strong performance capabilities, the GR Supra maintains a relatively balanced structure, weighing about 3,400 pounds. With this setup, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.9 seconds, delivering rapid acceleration that places it among the quickest modern sports coupes. Toyota also equipped the Supra with adaptive suspension, a limited slip differential, and carefully tuned chassis dynamics, all designed to improve grip and stability during spirited driving. Inside the cabin, the car features a driver-focused cockpit with sport seats, digital displays, and modern technology. Whether attacking tight corners or accelerating down a straight road, the GR Supra continues the legacy of a performance icon, built for drivers who appreciate speed and precision. Which car from this list would you choose to drive? Tell us in the comments. 6. BMW M2. Compact size and serious performance make the BMW M2 one of the most exciting sports coupes in BMW's lineup. Developed by BMW's M division, this car was designed to deliver aggressive acceleration while maintaining the sharp handling that enthusiasts expect from a true performance machine. Under the hood sits a powerful 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-6 engine, producing 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. This engine can be paired with either a precise 6-speed manual transmission or a quick-shifting 8-speed automatic, sending power directly to the rear wheels for a classic rear-wheel drive performance experience. The M2 weighs about 3,814 pounds, giving it a balanced structure that helps improve both acceleration and handling. The coupe can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.9 seconds, delivering impressive speed for a compact performance car. BMW also equipped the M2 with adaptive suspension and an active M differential, helping the car maintain stability and grip during aggressive driving. Inside the cabin, the M2 features supportive sports seats, digital displays, and a driver-focused layout designed to keep the driver connected to the road. On winding roads or fast straights, the M2 shows why BMW's compact performance cars continue to attract enthusiasts around the world. 5. Nissan Z. A legendary sports car name returns with the modern Nissan Z, a machine built to continue the long heritage of Nissan's famous Z lineup. Combining classic styling cues with modern performance technology, the new Z delivers the kind of driving excitement that enthusiasts have associated with this badge for decades. Power comes from a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 400 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This powerful engine can be paired with either a precise 6-speed manual transmission or a quick-shifting 9-speed automatic, sending power directly to the rear wheels for traditional sports car performance. The Nissan Z weighs around 3,486 pounds, giving it a solid balance between power and agility. With this setup, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds, delivering strong acceleration and responsive performance whenever the driver demands it. To improve handling, Nissan equipped the Z with performance suspension tuning, a mechanical limited slip differential, and upgraded brakes. Inside the cabin, the interior blends retro inspiration with modern technology, featuring digital gauges, sports seats, and a driver-focused cockpit. Every press of the accelerator highlights the purpose of the Zeed, keeping the spirit of Nissan's classic sports car lineage alive for a new generation of drivers. These are the cars enthusiasts dream about driving on a perfect road. 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata. Lightweight design and pure driving enjoyment define the Mazda MX-5 Miata, one of the most beloved sports cars ever created. Since its introduction, the Miata has focused on delivering a simple but engaging driving experience rather than relying on massive horsepower numbers. Under the hood sits a lively 2.0-litre naturally aspirated inline-4 engine, producing 181 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque. The engine is paired with a smooth 6-speed manual transmission or an available 6-speed automatic, sending power to the rear wheels in classic sports car fashion. Because Mazda prioritized lightweight engineering, the MX-5 Miata weighs only about 2,341 pounds. With its balanced chassis and responsive engine, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.7 seconds, delivering quick and energetic performance. Mazda also tuned the Miata with near-perfect weight distribution, a precise suspension setup, allowing the car to feel incredibly agile through corners. Inside the cabin, the car offers a driver-focused cockpit with supportive seats, simple controls, and modern infotainment features. Drop the top and take it onto a twisty road, and the Miata reminds drivers that true sports car fun comes from balance, connection, and the joy of driving. 3. Alpine A110. Lightweight engineering and precision handling are the core principles behind the Alpine A110, a modern sports car inspired by the legendary Alpine models of the past. Developed by the French performance brand Alpine, this coupe focuses on agility and balance rather than relying purely on massive horsepower. Power comes from a 1.8-litre turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 300 horsepower and 251 pound-feet of torque in the performance version. The engine is paired with a quick-shifting 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending power directly to the rear wheels for a responsive sports car driving experience. Thanks to extensive use of aluminum construction, the A110 remains impressively light, weighing around 2,432 pounds. With its strong power-to-weight ratio, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds, delivering quick bursts of speed while maintaining excellent balance. Alpine also equipped the A110 with precision-tuned suspension, lightweight chassis components, and carefully designed aerodynamics, all aimed at maximizing grip and cornering ability. Inside the cabin, the A110 features a minimalist driver-focused layout with sport seats, digital displays, and lightweight materials that emphasize performance. Instead of chasing extreme horsepower figures, the A110 proves that smart engineering and low weight can create an incredibly engaging sports car experience. Before you go, leave a comment and let us know which car impressed you the most. 2. Audi R8 V10. Exotic design and naturally aspirated power define the Audi R8 V10, one of the most iconic modern supercars ever built. Developed with strong influence from Audi's motorsport experience, the R8 combines everyday usability with the kind of performance normally associated with high-end exotic machines. At the heart of the R8 sits a powerful 5.2-litre naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing 602 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque in the performance version. This engine delivers power through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, sending energy to all four wheels through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. The R8 maintains a relatively balanced structure, weighing about 3,680 pounds. With its powerful V10 and advanced drivetrain, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.1 seconds, delivering explosive acceleration and impressive traction. Audi also equipped the R8 with advanced aerodynamics, magnetic ride suspension helping the car remain stable and responsive at high speeds. Inside the cabin, the R8 features a driver-focused interior with digital displays, premium materials, and a futuristic cockpit design. The naturally aspirated V10 soundtrack and razor-sharp performance ensure the R8 remains one of the most thrilling supercars to experience on both road and track. 1. Porsche 718 Cayman GT4. Track-ready engineering and balanced performance define the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4, a sports car developed by Porsche's GT division for drivers who demand precision and control. Built on the Cayman platform, this model focuses on delivering a pure driving experience while maintaining the sharp handling Porsche is known for. At the heart of the GT4 sits a 4.0-litre naturally aspirated flat-six engine, producing 414 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. The engine delivers its power through a precise 6-speed manual transmission or an optional 7-speed PDK dual-clutch gearbox, sending energy directly to the rear wheels. Thanks to its lightweight structure and performance-focused engineering, the GT4 weighs around 3,208 pounds. With this setup, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.7 seconds, offering strong acceleration while maintaining excellent balance and stability. Porsche also equipped the GT4 with race-inspired aerodynamics, upgraded suspension components, helping the car maintain impressive grip during aggressive driving. Inside the cockpit, the Cayman GT4 features sports seats, simple driver-focused controls, and modern digital displays designed to keep attention on the road. The GT4 delivers the kind of connected driving experience that Porsche's GT models are famous for. These cars prove that true driving excitement isn't just about huge horsepower numbers. It's about balance, precision, and the feeling you get behind the wheel. Which one of these sports cars would you love to drive the most? Tell us in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more incredible car content.